Good morning from Siargao Island, Simon here, and today I'm making a quick video about the car ferries from Siargao to Mindanao and vice versa. Basically there are two companies running car ferries here. One is Evaristo and Sons and the other one is Montenegro Shipping Lines. Both of them have websites with schedules, but the schedule is not accurate. You cannot make reservation in advance for neither of them, and neither of the companies answer phone calls, so it's really just go to the port and get the ticket. Well, the Evaristo runs twice a day and it costs 4,500. The Montenegro Shipping Lines runs few times a day and it costs 4,800. It's a little bit more expensive, but they have more boats to choose from. And I switched to inside because there was too many mosquitoes. Yeah, basically what you need to do is go to the port and buy the ticket for the earliest ferry you can get on, and yeah, don't get angry if you are not able to get on the first one and you have to wait a few hours, because that's just how it is and there is not much to do about it. I will post the schedule here, but be wary, it might change in maybe even tomorrow because everything changes here. I went to the ticketing office like after we arrived, maybe at 7 p.m. There was a line, but just waited a few minutes, then bought the tickets. It was 5,000 with all the fees. Went to the port, it was quite a huge port, then waited for them to pull us to the boat. This is my 8th ferry and I thought that by now I would have any idea what I'm doing, but yeah, it's still just confusing as the first one. I just wait in the line, buy the ticket and went to fill out some forms, pay some fees, whatever. And then I arrived at this port. It's pretty huge and I'm not really sure where to be. So we have about 3 hours before the boat goes. I'll try to get some sleep. I was already on the boat and then they made me go out again because there is a bigger car still coming. Like, what the hell? Yeah, but the approach is much better than the other one, but still it's not very easy and safe to get there, so... Okay, I'm on the boat. This boat, the experience has been much better and the price is higher too. Now the last vehicles are coming in. Yeah, there looks to be just about enough space, I guess. Oh, okay, there you go. Put it sideways because otherwise it wouldn't fit. This is using every centimeter of the boat. It's crazy how full they make the boats. Before 11 we started boarding and maybe 11:30 we set off, and we arrived like 3:30 a.m. in Dapa, Siargao. Okay, we have arrived. The ramp is opening into the nothing. Yeah, it took only 3 hours and we are in Surigao, so... Good morning from Siargao. Made it. Now let's go to the Dapa port in Siargao Island, to the boat back to Surigao in Mindanao Island, and I will show you how it looks like. It's pretty simple. The ride is about 3 to 4 hours. We are at the Dapa port. It was pretty easy. Now they are kind of rushing us, just buying the ticket, then the terminal fee, and the boat is ready for us. Morning.
The window, sir.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Ja, szefie. No tak to level opera času.
A teď co má odjíždět až za hodinu?
Okay, and just like that we are on the boat. It was super quick, super simple, so I'm very happy with that. It's like 7:15 and we are already on the move. The boat was scheduled for 8, but yeah, you know the schedules here, so yeah, it worked better than I thought. So